Welcome to this CADline Dynamic Maps video. We'll be looking at the Search Layers tool within MapThat. Map layers are stored under the layer trees in the left-hand pane. And if you aren't sure where to find a layer, you can use the MapThat Search Data Layers tool. In this example, we'll leave the top option ticked to ensure we only search for layers in the current project. Let's type our layer name such as schools, select it from the list. It tells us which tree it's in, which is the education tree, and then tick to display the layer. Notice in the map the Liverpool schools have been displayed, and under the education tree we can see the layer's been ticked. In this next example, we'll start with one project and show the council owned homes. But we also want to add the grounds maintenance layer to the map, so let's use the Search Data Layers tool. And this time we're going to untick the search in the current project to look for the grounds maintenance layer in any other project. Once we've chosen it from the list, we can see it's in two projects, housing and neighbourhood. Let's choose housing and tick to display the layer. A message will appear asking you to close your project. You can say no, or if you wish to continue, choose yes. We then have a choice where we'll open the housing project and auto zoom to our previous location and show the layers. Notice in the map the council owned homes has already been pre-ticked and the grounds maintenance layer has now also been added to the project.